Hi, I heard shading from bird droppings or leaves can cause hotspots and even fire. We're a data center, so safety is a must.
Got it. Time to give our little buddies a quick test. Let's see how they handle a bit of shade. Look, I put some shade on them. The temp curve is dancing.
What you're seeing now is an ABC module under shading, no hotspots, and the temperature stays stable. In traditional modules, shading blocks part of the cell, and the current is forced through tiny leakage roots. That's how hotspots form. ABC modules work differently. The electrodes are on the back, current flows evenly even if part is shaded. With a smarter microcircuit layout and ABC's unique bypass-like diode, faulty cells stay inactive, keeping hotspot temperatures under control.
Temperature looks stable, but is there still any fire risk?
Absolutely safe. Our little buddy passed IEC Class A fire tests and got TUV Rhineland's PV Module Anti-Ignition Hazard Certification. Safety isn't optional, it's essential. Every ABC module is built with quality in mind and proves its reliability in real-world use.